And I want to ask, which often get asked by Indian parents in India or students, because in many universities they have seen videos like students don't get to see dead bodies, real dead bodies. They just get the dummies. So do our students get dead bodies
Yes.
in Krasnoyarsk State Medical University?
Because from the first year of the study, we start to study anatomy.
Yes.
And always we go to anatomy class, we get access to the dead body. And they get, actually, it's a very amazing practice that you can study all anatomy with the dead body exponent. So
Without dead body, there cannot be anatomy.
not only, but it's like start point, because
Yes.
if you don't know anatomy, you cannot help the patient, you cannot understand the body of human body. So but yes.